Oh, look at that rain is pouring in. Heavy rain now. And it looks like that rain is going to settle now. Don't spoil it today. Don't put an end to this one. Please wait a while. Take time. Rain will pass away. It is just the passing shower over here.
ये दर्शक किस समय निराश है, आप देख सकते हैं चेहरे पे मायूसी छाई हुई और ये इस बात का परिचय दे रहा है कि दर्शक भी चाहते हैं, वो भी मैदान छोड़ने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं, चाहते हैं पूरा मुकाबला देखने को मिले। पहले खेल रोका गया था, 4 गेंदें 12 रन बने थे और इस समय 4 ओवर पूरे हो चुके, 59 रन।
Oh, look at that mesmerizing outfield over here. Oh, these are the wonderful faces. Look at that. Nadeem Dar, Adil Kachru, Asim Bashir, Yasir Kulgami having a word. Exchange of words going on. Crowd on the field. And look at that backyard. Oh, mesmerizing. This is really mesmerizing. Serpentine. Beautiful and gorgeous looking outfield over here. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the backyard. This is really unbelievable. This is paradise for you guys. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Oh, look at that rain. It's pouring in, heavy rain now. And it looks like that rain is going to settle now. And if rain plays the spoiled spot, we're gonna call on more covers. We're gonna cover that 30-yard area too, and that will mean match contact place. Oh, look at that! This is the transparent cover coming on. It is flying already in here. Oh, look at that again! Oh, what a flight! Oh, what's going on? Mexican cycle to be precise. It's 59 after 4 overs. 16 overs remaining, 96 ball, 154 runs needed. Oh, ground stop is doing a very good job over here. Jadu is also helping. This is called sportsmanship. Look at that. Oh, this is really encouraging and inspiring. Jadu is working with Tariq Abdullah and Zain Ali. We'll have to wait and watch. Will rain allow us to continue the game? Oh, look at the crowd in the grandstand though.
जहाँ पे बनवर देखिए, मायूस चेहरे साफ दिखाई दे रहे हैं, दर्शक हालांकि आनंद लेने के लिए मैदान में पहुंचे और मैदान छोड़ने का नाम नहीं ले रहे। और निश्चित तौर पे क्रिकेट के लिए अच्छी खबर नहीं है, क्योंकि वर्षा के कारण एक बार फिर मुकाबला रोका गया है। और ये आपके सामने विजुअल्स हैं, दर्शक जो इस समय
These faces are asking question to Majid Ali and Tariq Abdullah. Don't spoil it today. Don't put an end to this one. Please wait a while. Take time. Rain will pass away. It is just the passing shower over here. Doresan, thank you very much. Totally awesome ground. Thanks a lot, buddy. And Zishan butt rights in. But rain is coming in. It's settling in now. Rain settled in. Heavy rain is on. And ground stop is out there on the field. We'll have to wait and watch what will be the decision from organizing committee, and the umpires, the officials will decide. But heavy rain is in. Players having, oh, look at that. I can simply throw it out. This is something special for all of us over here in the count box.
JKSportstime 500 की एक शर्ट एक व्यक्ति पहने हुए सबकते फैसलवार है और गौरवान्वित बात है, गौरवशाली बात है।
That's what I was trying to throw out, that it is a proud moment for all of us, and we all should thank Mighty Lord, and together that it is the blessing of Mighty Lord. Wait, you may play. Wait, you may play. Rain will not last for long. Remiss me, please. And that's what we want over here.